Good afternoon, Executive Ground, Baron 3175 Whiskey with Sierra. I'd like to pick up my IFR to Fort Lauderdale, exec.
Baron 3175 Whiskey, Atlanta Executive Ground. Switch Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport as filed. Maintain 1,500. Expect 6,010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 119.77. Squawk 16 for treat.
Cleared to Fort Lauderdale exec as filed. 1,500, 6,010 minutes, 119.77, and squawk 1643 for 3175 Whiskey.
Baron 75 Whiskey, readback is correct. Information Sierra is on the ATIS. Say parking device ready taxi.
Have Sierra at shelter, and will advise momentarily 75 Whiskey. Executive Ground, Baron 3175 Whiskey at shelter, Foxtrot ready taxi 7.
Baron 73 Christian, Baron 3175 Whiskey, Atlanta Executive Ground, runway 7. Taxi via Echo, correction via Foxtrot, Kilo Echo 4.
7 via Foxtrot, Kilo Echo 4 for 3175 Whiskey.
Here we go.
There we go. Executive Tower, Baron 3175 Whiskey's ready to go at 7.
November 3175 Whiskey, turn left heading 055, runway 7, clear for takeoff, wind 070 at 6.
Left 055, clear for takeoff on 7317 Whiskey. Here, hold this. Alright, clear right. Clear left. Cars closed. Alright, gauges in the green. Fuel flow. Airspeed alive. 84 knots. Positive right. You're up. Left 055.
Tower, good afternoon. 321 Golf Kilo, ready for departure, runway 7.
November 321 Golf Kilo, Orlando Executive Tower, roger, working on your IFR release. November 75 Whiskey, heading 055, contact departure 119.77, good day.
Over departure, good day, 75 Whiskey. Captain departure, Baron 3175 Whiskey 1.2 for 1.5.
Baron 3175 Whiskey, allowed departure at climb maintain 2000.
Ident, climb 2000, 75 Whiskey.
Connection 207, contact Stanford Tower 135.25. Good day.
Not as cool as it was earlier.
Contact Tower 135.25, connection 207.
Baron 3175 Whiskey, radar contact a mile northeast of the Orlando Executive Airport.
Position check, 75 Whiskey.
Air 2 Sierra Alpha, climb maintain 5000, contact Orlando approach 119.52.
5,000 and 119.52. 122 Sierra Alpha, thanks.
It'll get better when we get higher.
November 3175 Whiskey, climb and maintain 3000.
Climbing 3000, 75 Whiskey. It'll get smoother once we get above the clouds.
Blinking.
Yeah.
November 3175 Whiskey, turn right heading 100.
100, 75 Whiskey.
Baron 3175 Whiskey, fly heading 120, climb maintain 4000.
120, climbing 4000, 75 Whiskey.
November 3175 Whiskey, turn right heading 160, contact Orlando approach 124.8.
160 and 124.8 for 3175 Whiskey.
Cessna 4 Delta Whiskey. Cessna 4 Delta Whiskey, you're supposed to be starting a descent down to 6,000 and contact approach 132.65. They'll have lower for you.
13265 Fort Lauderdale.
Orlando approach, Baron 3175 Whiskey 4000.
Last call again.
Baron 3175 Whiskey level 4000.
November 3175 Whiskey, Orlando approach, Orlando altimeter 3004, climb and maintain 6,000.
Climbing 6,000, 3175 Whiskey.
On 16,000 direct Orlando, we'll resume our departure for Southwest 4927.
Citation 3 Papa Delta, climb and maintain 16,000, contact Jacksonville Center 134.0. November 543 Papa Delta, climb and maintain 16,000, contact Jacksonville Center 134.0.
Climb maintain 16,000, 3 Papa Delta.
Citation 3 Papa Delta, yes, and contact Jacksonville Center 134.0.
340, 3 Papa Delta.
JetBlue 1212, contact Jacksonville Center 134.0.
3040, JetBlue 1212, have a nice afternoon.
Orlando, good afternoon. 321 Golf Kilo, level 4,000, heading 160.
November 321 Golf Kilo, Orlando approach, climb and maintain 8,000.
8,000, 321 Golf Kilo.
November 75 Whiskey, turn left heading 140.
14075 Whiskey.
Baron 3175 Whiskey, contact Miami Center 132.25, good day.
3225, good day, 75 Whiskey. Miami Center, Baron 3175 Whiskey, level 4000 on a 140 heading.
Okay, I was offline for a second. I'm guessing that was number 3175 Whiskey, Miami Center, Vero Beach, altimeter 3003, say altitude.
Level 6000 on a 140 heading.
November 3175 Whiskey, fly heading 170, vectors on course.
170, 3175 Whiskey.
November 45 November, climb maintain 9,000. Okay, leaving 78 for 9,000, 45 November. 77 X-ray, we need 4,000, 270. Stop line taken. 7 X-ray, 4,000, heading 270, we passed the airway.
8 Sierra Romeo, hear you well.
November 80 Romeo, Miami Center, contact Miami Center 132.45, altimeter 3003.
132.45, 3003, 8 Sierra Romeo.
Number 80 Alpha, contact Palm Beach approach 132.8.
132.8, 800 Alpha.
Miami Center, Meridian 5982, Mike 5000, 280 heading.
Number 75 Whiskey, clear direct up Pahokee, join Victor 437 to Brickell, direct Fort Lauderdale Executive.
Direct Pahokee 437, Brickell, direct executive, 75 Whiskey. Welcome aboard.
5,000 heading.
We are currently cruising level 6,000 feet. It is about 58 degrees outside, approximately 9 degrees Celsius.
Exit 340 Miami Center, proceed.
Ground speed of about 177 knots. As
Treasure up to 9,000.
you can see, we are skimming the tops of these clouds. Shows us altitude, not because I want to be skimming the clouds, but
Number 1 Golf Kilo, proceed.
based on the forecasted winds,
Hotel Kilo, join.
I had less of a headwind at 6,000 than 8,000.
Direct Miami.
So, trying to minimize the headwinds.
7 Brickell, direct Miami, 321 Golf Kilo.
So, for now, it looks like
744
just past it all.
Orlando approach.
Behind us was a little bit higher.
24-8.
So, as long as it stays smooth, we'll stay here. If not, I'll ask for higher. So, as I mentioned in the last video, just had a cylinder break-in, so running a little richer than normal. I'm currently burning 15 side. I should have 2 new cylinders on the right engine. So, currently burning 30 gallons an hour with these power settings.
Number 40 Golf Roger, stay altitude.
So, just had a quick little flight up to Orlando. And a little graduation I had to attend. Then had some of my favorite sushi anywhere in the country. Happens to be in Orlando.
70 Papa Golf, unable, maintain.
So one of the perks of being on the fly yourself, get to have my favorite sushi.
126.95.
And now we're headed back home. So actually could have probably been home before noon, but decided to have lunch while I was up here.
Orlando approach.
Got a guest with me? Have Lucy with me?
Number 907, verify direct Baron.
Is that the peace sign? Is that what you did, the peace sign?
Direct Baron.
Peace out.
Center, pull out of 724,
So,
at 10,000. Number 724.
Should be a pretty uneventful flight.
6,000, Vero Beach altimeter 3003.
Cruising along, as I mentioned in my last video, they messing with the cameras, a little different camera angle, so camera here, this camera's a little farther back.
At 6,000.
So be sure to let me know what you think of the camera angles in comments. You like them better now, or you like them better before?
Heading 270. .com 6161 Miami Center, climb and maintain 9,000, stay altitude.
Of course, I don't know the answer yet until I start editing them, and I'll have a better feel for what works and what doesn't work. But one of the downsides of doing this.
Proceed direct Diddy, direct LaBelle, join the
anyhow, so we have about
direct Diddy, LaBelle, 52.com 6160.
About 30 minutes, 34 minutes to be exact, according to the GPS. So we arrive in Fort Lauderdale exec. So sit back, enjoy the views.
.com 61, 61.
And I'll check back in with you if anything should come up.
10,000.com 6161.
And if you like my videos, as always, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.
November 907, I show you off course from Barron, sir. Do you have Barron plugged in?
And those of you who are interested, check out my Patreon Barron Pilot page as well. And there'll be a link down in the comments.
Turn 20 degrees to the right, vector side.
Or in the info, I should say.
907. Number 907, turn 20 degrees to the right. 20 to the right, 907. Number 441, flighting 335 vectors of the restricted area. November 03 Yankee, maintain a VFR altitude.
Okay, we're descending 8,500 at 6003 Yankee.
November 56441, contact Orlando approach 124.8 in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes you can resume on navigation.
Okay, 24, we'll resume.
Are you closing your eyes?
3 minutes, 44.
Number 26907, contact Orlando approach.
They're making you nervous?
119.77.
119.77.
A little bit.
Sorry about it, 907.
A little bit.
Com 6161 Miami.
You like it better when we have storms because we stay out of the clouds more?
Yeah.
For 3175 Whiskey, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descending 4,000, Simba Whiskey.
Dusty 197, contact approach 125.2.
25.2, Dusty 197.
Palm Beach, good afternoon, 321 Golf Kilo at 8 down.
Number 3175 Whiskey, contact approach 125.2.
25-2, San Whiskey, good day.
34-1, descend and maintain 3000.
5, Dusty 197.
Afternoon, Palm Beach approach, Baron 3175 Whiskey, level 4000.
Baron 3175 Whiskey, Palm Beach approach. Palm Beach altimeter is 29906.
996, San Whiskey.
Who's the VFR aircraft I told to stand by?
Fort Lauderdale, Data Tower Information, Sierra 1853, Zulu, wind 050 at 10. Visibility 10.
Private Orange 7853, maintain 10,000 and contact Miami Center on 132.45.
LSO localizer 199, approaching use, landing in the parking lot 199 and 13. How to stay airman, taxi expect between taxiways, option, echo closes, 0 to surface. Construction crane, 0.2 knots per mile north, northeast, approaching over 13. Margin 20 feet, AGL flight. Construction tower light, 0.4 knots per mile, east, approaching over 827. Margin feet, AGL out of service. Advisories in effect, use caution, auto party 6 and contact claims delivery, 127.95, private taxi. All aircraft be at runway 7 to host for instructions. Provide no initial contact, give this information, Sierra.
Number 3 Fox Tango, turn left heading 113, make it 140, back to Fort Lauderdale executive.
Visibility 10, 4,700 scattered, 5,500 scattered, 727,
75 Whiskey, descend and maintain 3000.
73,000, San Whiskey.
Number 75 Whiskey, contact Miami 119.7, good day.
119.7, good day, San Whiskey.
Palm Beach approach, Phoenix Air 10 is at 3,400, coming for 56.
Down to 2,055 November Tango.
Approach November 643 Foxtrot Tango, heading 180, 3,000 feet.
From 917 Foxtrot Alpha, your radio service terminated, frequency change approved. If you want further flight following, contact Miami Center on 132.45. They're not taking a handoff.
Roger that, 13245. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
643 Foxtrot Tango, descend and maintain 2,000.
Maintain 2,000, 3 Foxtrot Tango.
Number 525, November Tango traffic, 1 o'clock, 6 miles converging, 3,600, type unknown.
Alright, we're descending through 36 now.
With you.
Miami approach, Baron 3175 Whiskey, level 3000 on a 180 heading.
3175 Whiskey, my approach, thank you. Expect ILS rolling on Fort Lauderdale executive.
Roger, I can have the yard nav for 9 for San Whiskey.
75 Whiskey, the ILS to 9. Did you want a different approach?
Yeah, if I can get the RNAV for 9, I'd appreciate it, San Whiskey.
75 Whiskey, expect the RNAV runway 9.
RNAV 9, San Whiskey.
Number 327 Lima X-ray, reduce the speed to 170.
Slow to 170, 7 Lima X-ray.
Golf, Charlie Golf, Echo Romeo, Miami departure, radar contact. You can maintain VFR 2,500, withdraw on course heading to 48 X-ray.
About 10 degrees to the right of what we're doing right now, over.
Echo Romeo, you can proceed 10 degrees to your right.
And right, Echo Romeo.
Number 525, November Tango, the traffic 11 o'clock, 6 miles south westbound, 2,500 above you, Cherokee.
Should be traffic below us.
Number 525, November Tango, contact Executive Tower 120.9, good day.
Give your glasses. 4 miles, 1,000 feet below us. There he is.
Number 75 Whiskey, turn left heading 140, intercept the runway 9 localizer.
140 to intercept the localizer for 3175 Whiskey.
Number 75 Whiskey, flooding 220, vector free sequencing into Executive Airport.
220, 75 Whiskey.
Approach November 1403 Roma at 4,500 feet.
This is where IFR.
First, thank you. You can maintain VFR 4,500 above the Information Hotel, North Ferry Airport. 3175 Whiskey, turn left heading 150, good to rate of descent down. There'll be traffic above you at 3,000.
150 down, good rate to 2,000, 75 Whiskey.
850 Zulu Sierra, 5 miles, remember, maintain 2,000 to establish on localizer, put ILS runway 9 approach.
2,000 to establish, cleared ILS 9, 000.
Number 14252, radar contact 7 miles southwest of the Atone intersection, maintain VFR 2,500, stay in your present heading for sequencing into Executive Airport.
2,500, present heading 252.
643 Foxtrot Tango, turn left heading 150.
150, 3 Foxtrot Tango.
Number 850 Zulu Sierra, can you increase your speed for traffic behind you, a Baron that's overtaking you?
Speed up, 000.
Where is that traffic?
Number 75 Whiskey, reduce your speed to 150.
Down 150, 75 Whiskey.
Number 75 Whiskey, flighting 120, intercept the 9 localizer.
120 to intercept 9 localizer, 75 Whiskey. Alright, we gotta slow down.
643 Foxtrot Tango, flighting 120, intercept the runway 9 localizer.
0 intercept 9 localizer, 3 Hotel Tango. I mean, first good afternoon about the 4757.
Baron 75 Whiskey, did you want to increase your speed? The traffic ahead of you is now accelerating on the final.
No, I can stay here if you want, 75 Whiskey.
50 Zulu, Sierra, the traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles westbound, about a half mile south of the localizer, 1,800, type unknown, advising you have the traffic in sight.
Go for traffic.
Number 3175 Whiskey, traffic 1 o'clock, 4 miles westbound, 1,800, type unknown, is about a half a mile south of the current localizer.
Roger, looking for traffic, 75 Whiskey.
Number 643 Foxtrot Tango, you're 6 miles from Denver, maintain 2,000 to establish on localizer.
Somebody.
Runway 9 approach.
Look for traffic.
There's
There's somebody right here.
Clear ILS 9 approach.
Where? I don't know.
Traffic.
Number 75 Whiskey, you're 1 mile from Denver, cleared ILS, runway 9 approach, descend and maintain 2,000.
Slow the approach down to 2,000, 75 Whiskey.
75 Whiskey, correction, clear for the RNAV, since you want the RNAV approach, and just maintain 2,000 on the final approach course.
2,000, and clear the approach, 75 Whiskey.
Number 75 Whiskey, traffic no factor, contact the tower on 120.9.
Over tower, thanks for all your help, 75 Whiskey, good day.
Helicopter Foxtrot Oscar landing. The ramp will be at your own risk. Do not overfly any taxiing aircraft and cross runway 13.
Helicopter Foxtrot Oscar, roger that.
Captain Newton Tower, Baron 3175 Whiskey's with you on the RNAV 49er.
Baron 3175 Whiskey, Executive Tower, runway 9er, cleared to land number 2 following a TBM 6 mile final.
Clear land number 2, 75 Whiskey.
Executive Tower, Archer.
Alright, glide slip is alive.
We are holding short of 9er at Astro, ready for departure.
Sure, 395 Delta, Executive Tower, roger, landing traffic. Number 410 Lima
You're going
Romeo,
down.
right crosswind, your discretion.
Right crosswind at our discretion. 0 Lima Romeo.
3 green, 1 in the mirror.
Executive Tower, Archer 659 Alpha, holding short of runway 9er at Echo number 2.
Archer 659 Alpha, Executive Tower, roger. TBM 850 Zulu Sierra, say parking.
We're heading over to customs, 0 Sierra.
0 Zulu Sierra, turn right on November, contact ground, good day.
Number over to ground, thanks, altitude 0 Sierra.
Number 395 Delta, make right traffic, runway 9er clear for takeoff, traffic, Baron 6 mile final. Wind 07014, gust 19.
Clear for takeoff, runway 9, make right traffic.
Because we got a 14 knot headwind gusting to 19. My power setting is a little higher to make up for the ground speed. So I'm coming in at 18 inches manifold instead of the traditional 16.
Or 48757, fly
That's
southwest
going
bound
down.
to enter 3 mile left base for runway 9er.
We're just flying southwestbound for a 3 mile left base at runway 9er, November 4757.
Charlie 6 Tango Alpha Lima, fly heading, or correction, fly straight out, runway 9er clear for takeoff, traffic in the upwind is northwestbound, additional traffic, Baron 2 mile final.
Just let it go straight out on the roll, Tango Alpha Lima.
Number 75 Whiskey, traffic departing prior to your arrival.
Roger that, 75 Whiskey.
Number 410 Lima Romeo, turn base, runway 9er cleared, touch and go, after touch and go, make right traffic.
Turn base, runway 9er, turn touch and go, after touch and go, make right traffic, 0 Lima Romeo.
500.
500, 3 green, the mirror, clear to land.
Number 757, fly due southbound to enter the base for runway 9er.
We're just flying south of base, runway 9er, 4757.
Number 59 Alpha, as soon as able, start your turn to the northwest for fast departing traffic.
59 Alpha, turning northwest to the left.
Number 395 Delta, extend down, tower will call base.
Extend down when you call the base, 9 or 5 Delta.
Charlie 6 Tango Alpha Lima, remain clear, class Charlie airspace, contact Miami departure, have a good day.
Make it to departure, Tango Alpha Lima.
Number 75 Whiskey, safe parking.
Say no for 75 Whiskey.
Number 75 Whiskey, right on Golf, contact ground, good day.
Right on Golf over ground, good day, 75 Whiskey.
Number 4757, runway 9er, clear to land, number 2.
Executive ground, Baron 3175 Whiskey is cleared 9er at Golf for say no.
November 3175 Whiskey, executive ground, taxi via Golf, Echo Charlie.
Golf Echo Charlie, 75 Whiskey.
Executive ground, Cessna 875 Charlie Delta.
Well, thanks for coming along.
November 875 Charlie Delta, roger,
Hope
contact
you
tower.
guys enjoyed that flight.
875 Charlie Delta.
You probably enjoyed it more than Lucy did. She prefers the weather flights over the days like today, being stuck in the clouds. She didn't like the cloud, a little bit of turbulence in the clouds, and that's understandable for a non-pilot. But if you like my videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give me that thumbs up if you want to see more. And be sure to leave a comment. As you all know by now, I do my best to respond to 99% of all the comments made on there. And be sure to check out that Baron Pilot patron page. It's just the patreon.com/Baron Pilot, same as the YouTube page. So anyhow, that's it. That's my flight. We're back here. So I look forward to seeing you guys at the next one. And I appreciate you coming along with me. So until then, stay safe.